All right, last week I was hunting in Alberta. I shot a beautiful antelope. I've got the backstrap here. I love antelope. I find it really similar to lamb or sheep meat. It lends itself to kind of Greek flavors, lemon, rosemary. I'm gonna serve it with tzatziki sauce today. So all that is yogurt, cucumber, red onion, garlic, dill. I'm gonna use some chives and a little bit of mint for flavor. We're gonna grill this up over open fire, serve it with tzatziki. From there you can serve it with rice, vegetables, but I'm just gonna demonstrate the sauce and the meat today. So all the veg you want really thin. Some people will grate the cucumber. I'll just mince it really thin. So I'm using a thick Greek yogurt here. You can hang the yogurt with cheesecloth or a coffee filter if you want it thicker. You can also salt and drain the cucumber. I don't mind it being kind of saucier, so I'm not going to do that, but by all means, if that's what you're looking for, if you want something really thick, you can hang it. A tablespoon of salt, lots of black pepper and lemon. And that's gonna do it. Really, really, really simple. I'll put that in the fridge while we cook our antelope. All right, I got this beautiful piece of antelope backstrap here. Season it with salt and pepper, a little olive oil so it doesn't stick to my Brio grill, and cook it over the fire. All right, I'm outside on the Brio. You got my antelope backstrap. I've marinated in rosemary, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Get fired on the Brio. I've got some lemon I'm gonna grill. Nice accompaniment. The rosemary smoking with it. I'm gonna cook that till it's medium rare. Slice it up, serve it with the tzatziki. All right, so I'm happy with the doneness of this. Got a nice char. My lemon's nice and charred. I'm gonna take it off, head inside, plate it up. Here's the beautiful Greek-inspired pronghorn antelope backstrap with tzatziki grilled lemon. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you in the next one.